Hi, we are going to present our comprehension activity of Portfolio 3. The team members are Brandon Olivares, Sofía Berlanga, Octavio Aguayo, Valerio Sornio, Jacqueline Villagrán, and me, Marcelo Sanchez. So we choose the tropical evergreen forest, and we're going to talk about it. So first, we want to talk about the geographical distribution. So originally occupied about 9.2% Mexican territory, but have been reduced by half to 4.7% and 91,566 square kilometers. In Mexico, rainforest can be found almost exclusively on the Atlantic slope from southern San Luis Potosí along Tabasco and Veracruz to the south of the Yucatan. They are also present in a narrow strip of the Pacific slope of the Sierra Madre de Chiapas, as well as smaller areas in the lower foothills of the Sierra Madre del Sur of Oaxaca and Guerrero, usually in areas below 1,200 meters above sea level.
Biotic and abiotic factors. So first, I'm going to say the meaning. So biotic factor refers to all the organisms that are present in an ecosystem, and abiotic factors are all the non-living components. Biotic factors are classified in consumers, autotroph producers, and decomposers.
And here we go with examples on the food web of these ecosystems. In the food chain is mainly composed by the producers, the primary consumers, the secondary consumers, and the tertiary consumers. The producers are usually plants or something like that, seeds, and yeah. The primary consumers are mostly the animals that eat those plants, and then secondary consumers and tertiary consumers. The secondary consume the primary ones, and the tertiary consume the secondary ones. And on this environment, on this jungle type of jungle, some examples of this food chain are how seeds are eaten by macaws, which are then eaten by pythons. Bananas are eaten by monkeys, and these are eaten by jaguars. And how grasshoppers eat different types of plants, and then those are eaten by frogs, which are usually eaten by jaguars. As you can see, they all follow the same structure.
Implication of human activity in the ecosystem. The biological is the global climate system is being altered by anthropogenic emissions of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, increasing temperatures worldwide, particularly at northern latitude. The pace of global climate change, including warming, is expected to accelerate in the coming century as atmospheric concentration of greenhouse gases continue to increase. And the economic is deforestation is a step in the construction of products to sell, a huge problem nowadays, but people are still making their economy. Wood products can be divided into two categories. Pulp is made from tree fibers and used to produce paper and related products, and timber, used for construction or high-end products like furniture, is most clearly linked to forest degradation.
Political and social. During the last 4 decades, due to society and political laws, the felling of trees and the exploitation of it, mining, and also of oil is drying and removing minerals from the jungle. This, by law, is protected, but there are companies that violate the laws and create a catastrophe for the ecosystem. In addition, that oil exploitation is the objective of these companies.
What to do to keep it safe? This beautiful ecosystem must be preserved, and to do so, there are many actions that we should do. Number one is regulated and planned cutting of trees. Number two, control over forest fires. Number three, reforestation and afforestation. Number four, check over forest clearance and for agricultural and habitation purposes. 5, protection of forests. And 6, role of the government in forest conservation.
Thank you for your attention.